Hari Om and Namaskaram. Happy to inform of the upcoming Wisdom Retreat from the 4th to 7th March in Hyderabad. This retreat would give you a unique opportunity to pause, examine, and plunge into your inner self to know your spiritual personality. Just as you use the BMI, the Body Mass Index, to know your physical health, you need to use your BMI, body, mind and intellect, to measure your spiritual health as well. How do you measure your spiritual personality? Is it not necessary to know how evolved you are? The selected verses from the 18th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita gives guidelines to analyze one's spiritual personality. It dissects your personality into 7 aspects, further divides them by the 3 gunas, giving 21 flavors of your inner self. Nowhere in the Shastras has it been analyzed so exhaustively, so beautifully. It is indeed a rare opportunity to understand and study this section of the text of the Bhagavad Gita. You may be a spiritual beginner or an advanced seeker. This retreat would give you an insight, would also give great clarity to your spiritual personality, and give clear directions to further advance your spiritual evolution. The Pragati Resorts, in its pristine and beautiful setup, creates an ashram-like atmosphere. For the 4 days, all participants would get an opportunity to do various activities. To start with, yoga, and also play some sport, go for a walk or a jog to rejuvenate your physical body. You would sing bhajans, chants and prayers to tune your mind, self-study, interactive lectures and group discussions to strengthen your intellect, and to end the day with meditation. Filled with fun and laughter, it would be an enriching and makes a learning a very pleasant experience. See you all there. Hari Om.